Let me introduce Ann Wilson, who's the CEO of the United Way of the Bay Area in San Francisco, and probably one of the events that I attended in San Francisco that Ann and the local Bank of America CEO were hosting that just finished this for me in terms of the need to do this at a greater scale was a lunch celebrating their earned income tax credit success, and it wasn't even the dollar amount as it was the people in the room. Business leaders and nonprofits, the local community foundation, the city treasurer, and how excited they were about what they had put together. And what I realized was that is something that has to be of national scale. Again, we didn't invent it. We just followed the lead of really quality leaders like Ann Wilson. Ann?
Okay, we're almost there. I'm the last one. Deep breath, we'll make it. It's a pleasure to be here and a privilege to serve as the United Way CEO in San Francisco Bay Area. We're the United Way that serves 7 counties that ring the San Francisco Bay. And like our friends at the Mile High United Way, everything we do is focused on creating opportunities for people to fulfill their dreams, live independent, financially stable lives, and to participate fully in their communities. From our initiatives in early childhood education, to our advocacy for increasing access to health care, to our efforts to reduce youth violence, United Way of the Bay Area is a catalyst for action. We sit at this unique intersection of the public, private, and nonprofit sectors, and we bring together individuals, businesses, labor, nonprofits, our philanthropic partners, to create opportunities for children, youth, and families. And this National United Way Financial Stability Partnership provides a platform for United Way of the Bay Area to build upon our existing strategies, learn from our sister United Ways, and achieve an even greater impact in our local communities. As I mentioned on the video, 1 out of 4 households in the Bay Area, nearly 500,000 people, do not earn enough to meet their basic needs, including housing and food and health care and transportation and child care. That means that every day they make choices between filling prescriptions and buying food, paying the rent or paying their utilities. And many have been unaware that they're eligible for the federal tax credits, like the Earned Income Tax Credit. In recent years, it was reported that $75 million of EITC credits went unclaimed in the Bay Area due to lack of awareness. United Way, along with our partners, seized this opportunity to help families take full advantage of their tax credits and start down a path of financial stability. 5 years ago, United Way of the Bay Area launched the Earn It, Keep It, Save It campaign. It's a community-based campaign that provides free tax preparation for households with incomes under $39,000. It's now comprised of 200 community organizations that serve tax filers in 118 sites throughout the Bay Area, with more than 1,500 trained volunteers who help people file their taxes and assist their neighbors. Last year, in 2006, Earn It, Keep It, Save It served 20,000 households and claimed $10 million in earned income tax credits and another $10 million in child care and other credits for a total of $20 million in refunds. That means $20 million were back in the pockets of families and individuals who needed it most. We expect to exceed those numbers for 2007, and while we haven't been able to finish all our analysis for 2007 in the big numbers, what really matters are the lives that have been improved. Let me tell you about Matthew and Rochelle from Fremont, California. They're a young couple with 4 small children. They visited one of our tax assistance sites for the first time this year, and besides saving the $140 that last year they paid someone else to do their taxes for, they received $3,000 in earned income tax credits and $2,000 in child care tax credits. Now, Matthew works full-time cleaning out chemical trailers, and Rochelle works part-time as a noon supervisor at the school where her 6-year-old attends. Matthew, though, is in school, and he will soon graduate with an associate's degree in graphic design, and he plans to get an entry-level design job that will pay up to $40,000 to $45,000 a year, which is a substantial increase over his present salary. Their refunds will help them meet their family's needs, while Matthew invests in his education to grow his long-term earning power. Juanita Edwards from Marin City, California, is a single parent of a 13-year-old boy. She returned to a VITA site for the second year and received an earned income tax credit of $1,000. And she also signed up for a course in financial education. Specifically, she's enrolled in a first-time home buyers program. She will bank most of her refund and credits and save for a down payment, and she couldn't be more excited. We're so very proud of all of the results and the many community partnerships that have grown to support Earn It, Keep It, Save It, including our partnerships with financial institutions like our very good friends at Bank of America, all working together to get the unbanked banked as an essential step toward financial stability. Our ultimate goal, of course, is to help families move up the economic ladder and build long-term family stability. We're working with our partners to expand Earn It, Keep It, Save It beyond the seasonal campaign to include comprehensive year-round services and opportunities to help increase income, build savings, and promote asset building. This year, we piloted the San Francisco Financial Asset Information Referral Project, SF-FAIR, which placed Earn It, Keep It, Save It sites in specific targeted neighborhoods to offer the tax preparation, but also to connect those tax filers with a range of financial stability services that include financial education, vocational skills training, and individual development accounts. We believe that this integrated approach has tremendous potential to help families like Matthew, Rochelle, and Juanita to build toward financial stability and to improve, at the same time, the stability of those targeted neighborhoods. We're thrilled to join today with the National United Way Financial Stability Partnership and to help lead the charge to extend more opportunities for financial stability among the many hardworking individuals and families who confront a daily struggle to make ends meet. The real strength of the United Way network is our bias for action and our unique ability to reach across all kinds of aisles to build coalitions that can impact neighbors in every state. By sharing best practices, building national partnerships, we can bring to scale innovative, proven strategies from coast to coast. Thank you very much.